Okay, in this video I'm going to show you just real basic way of how to create a couple of graphs in Microsoft Excel. So going back to our days of algebra, I remember that a graph is basically nothing more than the intersection of the x and the y axis. So what we're going to do is take these numbers that we see, some of the numbers, and create a graph out of them. I call it Tom's two-step, and that's because only two steps are needed to create the graph. It's that easy. So I'm going to start in highlighting from A3 down to A6 and then over to D6. Now the reason I started in column A is because that's the column that contains the labels of the clothing, and I started on row 3 is because it contains the labels that break down the months. So everything's going to be created into a graph. Everything's going to be converted into a graph by pressing just one button on the keyboard. Are you ready? It's the F11 function key. Here we go. Wasn't that cool? Okay, so what happened was when I pressed F11, a new sheet was inserted in front of where the data is. Now, I'm also going to create a graph and keep the graph on the same page as where the data is. I call that Tom's 2.5 step. I'll use the same data range, but this time I'll go to the Insert tab and I'll notice that there's a group called Charts with a whole bunch of buttons on it. I'll choose this one, and instead of 2-dimensional, I'll choose 3-dimensional. And just like that, I have a graph. I can move it, I can size it, and anytime I make changes to any of the numbers, all graphs that are associated with that range will automatically update. For example, I have 75,000 for men's clothing in January, which is this one right here. Maybe I made a mistake. Instead of 75,000, it should have been 175,000. So when I press the Enter key, the graph automatically updates here as well as here. Okay, stay tuned for some more graphing features. I've got literally hundreds of different graphing videos that I can share with you. Thank you.